If you're looking for a spaghetti dish that is so tasty and very easy with few ingredients, then you are at the right place. Welcome to the Sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metoka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing you want to do is to prep for all your ingredients, and the first thing I'm prepping for is my cabbage. I'm cutting my cabbage into strips. You can decide to grate your cabbage, but I prefer cutting my cabbage into strips. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Do click on the subscribe button to stay connected to my channel and turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new videos. After cutting my cabbage, the next thing I'm going to prep for is my carrot. So off camera, I've grated my carrot. So you can decide to grate your carrot, or you can decide to cut your carrots into strips, but I prefer grating mine. So basically the ingredient needed to make this spaghetti is just the ingredient that you need for your coleslaw. That's the basic ingredient in making your coleslaw. But because I love the pop of color at which bell pepper gives, that's why I'm making use of bell pepper, and I'm using the yellow one. So I'm just cutting this into strips. So after cutting this, I'm going to set this aside. The next thing I want to prep for is egg. So into my fry pan, I just heat up some oil, added well whisked egg into this. I just allowed this to cook for a minute, then added some salt. So I was trying to flip this over, but the top is still runny, so I just cover it up for a minute for the top to cook properly. And then I flipped it to the other side and allowed this to cook for just a minute. And that was it. My egg is ready. So before moving to the next process, you want to allow your egg to rest well before cutting into strips, because I want this to be tasty and I want it to look so beautiful. So that's why I'm doing all this. So you can decide to go whichever flow that you want to go with this. You can stay connected to me by turning on your notification button, that's the bell icon, so I can get notified when I drop new video. My uploading days are Fridays and Sundays, 5:30 p.m. Nigerian time. You can check my other previous videos. I have lots of amazing delicious recipe, so I'll be dropping some of the links at the description box below, so do well to check it. Or as you're watching this video, you're seeing the link especially towards the end of the video, so do well to check my other previous video. Thank you. We can book a flight, wake up in paradise. Tell me you're down to ride, you can make a life. So the next thing I want to do is to get ready my sauce. This will what will make my spaghetti so delicious. So into my bowl I combined soy sauce, oyster sauce. My oyster sauce is almost finished, but this little can do a lot of justice to this delicious meal. Sesame seed oil and some pineapple juice. You can decide to skip the pineapple juice. You can also add sugar as well, but you can skip the both if you don't want it. So mix this together and set aside. So the next thing we want to get ready is to cook our spaghetti. Boil some water then add salt, mix this together, then add in your spaghetti. I was trying to do something fancy here, but it wasn't working at all, so let's just go right with it. So cook your spaghetti until al dente. And after boiling it, just drain out and pour some cold water on it to allow to stop the cooking process. And then after that is done, the next thing you want to do is to mix up everything together. So heat up some oil, add some chopped onions, garlic and ginger. Just saute for some minutes. Add in Scotch bonnet pepper. Mix up very well. Then add in your grated carrots, bell pepper and the cabbage. Mix up very well until everything is well incorporated. Add in your sauce. Mix this together properly. You can also add some seasoning cube to this as well. So mix up everything well together. Spaghetti and mix everything up together properly. Add the egg and parsley, mix up together, and guess what? Your delicious spaghetti is ready. So quick and easy. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this ad, and also what is one thing you're going to add to this to make it special. What are you going to tweak about this recipe? Let me know too at the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification. Bye for now. I'll see you on the other flip side. Love of kisses.